Hi guys. Welcome back to Motion Creators. Today, we are going to do amazing color grading with simple techniques. We are going to use Snapseed. Snapseed is a free photo editing tool made by Google. It is very easy to use. It comes with many tools for enhancing your pictures. So, without any further ado, let's get started. If you want to download Snapseed, click the first link in the description below and download it from Google Play. Open Snapseed and you will find this interface. Click on plus icon to import your picture. I have selected this picture. So first choose a preset. You can use any one of them. I am using current preset. Go to Tools, and select Tune Image. Increase the brightness 15. Contrast to about 10. Saturation to about 30. Ambiance to 10. Highlights. You can reduce or increase it according to your picture's look. I am increasing to about 10. Increase the shadows to 15. And warmth to -10. Now go to Tools and select Curves. Change this as you want. Go to Tools and select Details. Increase the structure to 100. And sharpening to another 50. Nice. But there is a problem. Our picture face is being sharpened. So, we have to create mask on this picture. Click this icon and choose View Edits. Click on Details and choose this icon. Now start masking. Like this. Just only select the face. And hands. Now revert this mask by clicking this icon. Because we don't need mask on our hands and face. Click OK and see. Our picture face is now smooth. Now go back and go to Tools and click on Selective. Select the area whose color brightness you want to change. Just select the area and move to finger left or right. Like this. Now go to Tools and select Portrait. You can choose any preset. I am selecting Spotlight 1. Increase the skin smoothing to about 25. And eye clarity to about 50. Now go to Tools and select HDR-scape. Increase this to 50. Click this icon and choose View Edits. Choose the HDR-scape and click on this icon. Again start masking as we have done. Now again revert mask by clicking this icon and click OK. Beautiful. Go to Tools and select Lens Blur. Click OK. Nice. Click on this icon to export. You can choose any option that you want. Now our picture is exporting. You can see a very clear difference in before and after. So this way you can easily edit your pictures using some basic tools. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, please subscribe our channel and always be creative. Bye bye.